Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to enhance eye catch lights using color dodge in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and zoom directly into the subject's eyes for precision. I duplicate the layer and switch the blend mode to color dodge, immediately increasing brightness in the eyes. I reduce opacity to avoid unnatural glow. Next, I add a black mask to hide the effect completely. Using a very small soft brush, I slowly paint only inside the catchlight areas, enhancing depth and sparkle. I zoom in and out repeatedly, ensuring realism. Then I slightly blur the layer to integrate the light smoothly into the eyes. I adjust opacity again until the eyes feel expressive, alive, and emotionally engaged.